Early morning. We go for the hike. Me and Elliot only today. No one else wants to wake so early because the girls today is going to be busy again with underwater photography and that stuff, and I'm gonna be busy with some presentations, and so that's the main plan for today, but nothing is better than start the morning with a hike. Then like I said you before, it's you a little bit rushing your heart rate and the blood circulation, and then you're feeling actually way better all the day. Otherwise you look at my face, it's like, oh, it's really hot at the moment here in Bali, and during the day I mean, and then you have this couple of hours sleep in an air conditioned room, and then it's way better. But then in the morning when you wake up, your face looks like shit. It's okay, who cares? I don't care about that. Morning. Look, mangoes getting bigger. Soon we will eat them. This one still have to wait a bit. This one as well. Okay, someone has a camera in a pocket.
Yeah.
Morning.
First day.
Is it easy to wake up in the mornings for you?
Yeah. Yeah, I set my alarm at 6:20 and I wake up at 5:50.
Yeah. So kind of same as for me, but I cannot say it's kind of easy to wake up, but to get out of the bed, that's another thing.
Yeah, I agree.
Guyabano. In the Philippines it's Guyabano. Here it's actually Sirsak. Tuak? Yeah. So the delivery is getting younger and younger. This boy is, I don't know how old he is. Elliot, what do you think?
6, 5, 6? I don't know.
No, about 10, 11. Alang, yeah. Yeah. Mana? Ahmed?
Amed
Okay.
dengan Pak Yasan ni.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sampai jumpa.
Yeah.
I think the biggest problem of the humanity is that we take everything as granted. These people just work and they don't know another life, so that's why they just living what is it and feeling absolutely happy, as you can see. While walking in the mountains, no one ever been asking me money. While on the sea level, when you're walking a beach, sometimes they just 2.7 kilometers done, time to go back. Here is a little story. More than 10 instructors been in contact of this diver, and probably all of them were a little bit surprised why it looks like this. I will explain you what looks wrong a little bit, but no one really told her that something is wrong with it. So she been diving and bothering herself with the wrong diving, and really like a kind of course she adapted for this style of diving, but that was been like a kind of, I think it's a pain in the ass to dive in the BCD like this, right? Okay, so I think that I cannot blame the instructors, because you know that nowadays there are so many different configurations. There are sign mounts, technical, and so, and everybody is just, how many times we've seen divers diving with these long horses, just because the instructors probably recommended it, but they have no any idea what to do with these long horses, or it's 3 times around the neck and so. Sometimes instructors just doesn't feel confident just because they are not technical divers or whatever, and they don't feel confident to correct these problems. But come on guys, 1.5 years in this. Okay, look at this. So this is a BCD, regular BCD harness, and then there is a wing like this, and then look at this. Where is the inflator? It's on the right side. It's on the right side, here. Right, here. I was like looking at it, and I was like, she was telling me she's diving in this for 1.5 years, and some instructors be telling her, because she's doing instructor course now, that she probably have to take another VCD because it will be uncomfortable to teach the people or actually do the exam. And I was looking at it, and I understood there is only one problem. All you have to do, take the wing and flip it up. Flip it. So then, inflator stands on the left where it should be, and a dump valve, which is outside now, it will be inside, as in a technical wings or technical equipment principle. Isn't it insane? Really, no one ever told her. It's simple. It took me, I don't know, it took me probably 15 seconds to understand where is the problem. If you look at the inflator, it's already clear, it's wrong. So just look at this. It just gets squeezed and the air doesn't goes in. It have to be over the wing. So now it's normal. So they immediately understand it. You have to flip it other way. Okay, never mind. I'm happy I found this problem. Good for me. Right? So that talks about my professionalism. And as you know, I'm super humble as always. And I'm gonna fix this problem. So tomorrow she will dive as a normal diver. Now it's correct. Look at that. There is only one conclusion. Dear colleagues, never stop studying. If you are only recreational diving instructor, try something new. Try sign mount, try technical. You don't have to become instructor for this specialties, if you can call like that, but just try it out. You will be more familiar with other equipment, which is not only classic BCD and classic regulator. So when you will see someone with a wrong configuration, you will be able to help. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.